traits that I love on my STI. Well, it's kind of hard to bring it down to just 5 things, but the very first thing that I love about my STI is that it's an STI. I mean, who doesn't want to buy it an STI? Many people just go and buy WRX because they think it's the same thing as an STI, and no, it is not. Clearly, 2 different cars, in my opinion. And then you have like those WRX owners that want to duplicate an STI, that you know, to put the STI wing in it and stuff like that, STI badging and stuff. Oh, it's lovely. Second thing that I love on my STI, it's that well, it's turbocharged. This is my first car that I own that is turbocharged, and let me tell you, it's a lot of fun. Love it. Third thing that I love on my STI, it's the way it looks. I mean, you got the big spoiler in the back and everything. And I don't really downshift no more because whatever. One time I heard a big clunk, downshifting, and I said, that's enough for me. I much rather waste the rotors than you know, slap up a transmission on my engine. But anyway, so I love the way it looks. In the WRX, you know, WRX STI. I always saw them in the streets, and I was like, damn, I want one of those. I always wanted one of those, so finally got one. Third thing I love about my STI is the something's in the routing. It's the green calipers. I mean, I kind of have a love-hate relationship with the green calipers that are found in, you know, like the 2008s and stuff like that. But I love them. I love the way they look. But the thing that I really like about those calipers, it's how hard it is to keep them clean. Oh my god, I struggle so much to keep them clean, and some stains you can't even get them out. You know, I buy brake cleaner stuff like that, and can't clean them. Especially now that I have aftermarket wheels. Oh my god, it's a pain in the ass to keep them clean. Fourth thing that I love about my STI, it's how it rides. Honestly, it's not a luxury car. It's not gonna, you know, ride pretty smooth. But I like it. You know, if it's really stiff, you can feel every bump. Like coming up here, I don't know why I went this way. Cause there's some railroad tracks, and they're horrible. You know, yeah, living in the Midwest. I love those calipers. Love them. Fifth thing I love about my STI, it's the way they hold their value. Honestly, I always wanted to buy a car that would hold its value, and I was thinking, you know, I was thinking about buying like a Lexus or something like that, but nope. I decided against that because they lose their value real quick, and I don't want to do that. Plus, if I wanted to, you know, sell this thing once I, you know, finish paying it off, because I didn't have $30,000. You know, it's just dropped in the car. I think I could get over 20K easily. Over 20K. I mean, you see cars up here with a lot of miles. All the cars, you know, WRXs and WRX STIs, and they're still, oof, pricey. I don't think I seen one under 20K that has a clean title and never, you know, it's never been an accident or stuff like that. But yeah, love those rattles. Love them. Those rattles are the best. That's what makes a Subaru a Subaru, don't you think? But anyways, this is just a test video, you know, to hear my audio setup, and well, it's not a great GoPro with the mic adapter. And what are you doing, my dude? Okay. I see you. It's a GoPro with a mic adapter. I'm just trying it out, see how it is. Once I get a more dedicated camera, you know, for the summer, which of course I will, because I want to make more videos. I mean, it's one of the main reasons why I bought this car. So, you know, seeing a lot of YouTubers with cars like this, the builds that I want to imitate, but like money, bro. Cars are expensive; they're not cheap. Well, anyways, getting to my destination, and that'll be all. Thanks so much. I'll be sure to get more videos tomorrow. You know, like start up, cold start, of course. Always gotta get a cold start. Why am I coming here?